Hi North Haven. This video is going to cover the Texthelp extensions Read and Write, PDF Reader, and Screenshot Reader. You need those three extensions as well as the PDF Reader app on Chrome in order to make edits to PDFs. Your students also have access to these extensions and the app, so if you assign a PDF to them through Google Classroom, they can also use these to edit their PDFs. So right now, our extensions are missing and you will have to re-download them. Now mine have already been re-downloaded, but what you'll need to do is type Chrome Web Store into, this is actually called your Omnibus up here at the top. And from here, click Chrome Web Store. And the first thing that I like to add is Read and Write, so just type Read and Write. And then they changed the user interface here a little bit. It used to say add to Chrome here, but now you have to click on the extension. And then right where my blue button says remove from Chrome, yours will say add to Chrome. You're gonna click that, allow any permissions, because we have paid for it, and so they have agreed to the Connecticut privacy statement. And then that will bring this little purple puzzle piece up at the top right into your extension bar. This is your extension bar over here. A little note that extensions are just little programs that run inside of your Chrome browser. So it's not actually downloading to your laptop or your computer. What it's doing is it's adding itself to Chrome. So anywhere that you access Chrome, that you sign in, so when your little circle at the top right is there with either your initial or your picture, you should have access to these extensions. Once you've added Read and Write, you can click Chrome Web Store at the top left. And then you're going to type in PDF Reader. This is the PDF Reader from Texthelp. You'll click on that extension and then it's the same steps. You're going to click Add to Chrome and allow any permissions. You'll also need to make sure that you click on your work email for the account and not any other Gmail accounts that you might have on your laptop. When you're done with PDF Reader, it should bring you to this page right here. If it doesn't bring you to this page, the way I got to it is if you come up to the top right, there's this little gray sheet of paper with a purple banner and white letters that say PDF. And if you click on that, it brings you to the PDF Reader dashboard. From here, you want to come down to the center and click this Install button. This is going to add the PDF Reader app to Chrome. So the way you'll know whether or not that app has been downloaded is if you come over here at the top left, you have a waffle that's in color instead of gray, and that's your apps. If you click there, notice that I have the Texthelp PDF Reader app right here. The other thing you're going to want to do with this app is you're going to want to right click up here on the right on this gray sheet of paper, click Options, and anyone who teaches with Google Classroom, you're probably going to want to click this checkbox right here, Enable Classroom Integration. It used to default to that, but it doesn't anymore. So now if you want to be able to assign a PDF to Google Classroom from the PDF editor, which is PDF Reader, you have to click this checkbox. You don't have to click Save. Once you've clicked the text box, just click the X, and then you're done with that one. The last one that you need to have downloaded is Screenshot Reader. That's this one right here with this little purple guy. And the same thing, you're going to click on it, click Add to Chrome, and allow the permissions. So once you've done that, you're going to have PDF Reader as well as Read and Write and Screenshot Reader. If you are also a math teacher, you could download Equatio again if you don't have Equatio. Just remember that you don't put the N at the end. It's just with equation without the N.